Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 12. So iOS 12 is still on beta and it's expected to be released very soon, during this month of course, and now we have a confirmed date about the release of the final version of iOS 12, which will be released of course to everyone, not just to devs. So taking a look at the usual schedule of the Apple, we can confirm the date on which iOS 12 will be released. So as you probably have seen by now, Apple has announced their event for this year, this September. It will be September 12th. That's the exact same date as last year where they announced the iPhone 10, and now on this event on September 12th they will announce the new iPhones of course, and of course iOS 12. So let's take a look at the past year, the schedule that Apple used the past year. So the past year on September 12th there was the event where they also released the GM version of iOS 11, and then a week after the release of the GM on September 19th they released the final version of iOS 11. So you can expect Apple to do exactly the same this year as well. So on September 12th, you can expect Apple to release the GM version, the Gold Master version of iOS 12, which will be the date, of course, that they will hold the event as well. And then a week after, on September 19th, you can expect the final version of iOS 12 to come to your devices. So if you have been following, iOS 12 doesn't have many new features. Apple has focused more on performance and it being smooth and all that stuff. It's a really great update. I have tried it on my device. It's really smooth. It runs extremely well on my iPhones. I have tested it in a few iPhones and it runs really good, way better than iOS 11, even though it was still on beta. And you can have this update on your device on September 19th. That will be the date when the final version of iOS 12 will be released. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is just a quick video here talking about the release date of iOS 12 and when you can expect it on your device. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.